How to unlock locked Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to unlock your locked Snapchat account. So in order to fix it, there are two different types of locked account. The one is temporary and the other one is permanent. If you are going through a temporary issue, then it can be resolved within 24 to 48 hours. However, if you're going through a permanent issue, then it can take a bit longer time or you won't be able to recover your account. But then in order to give it a try, you can go ahead and open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in fix Snapchat account locked, and that's going to provide you with the link that says my account is locked or help.snapchat.com. and right on this page you'll be able to see list of articles and suggestions on what you should do and what steps you should take while your account has been temporarily locked. So you can go through it, and however, if you try the steps and you're still unable to fix it, then you need to contact the support team. So for that, you need to go to support.snapchat.com, and right on this page you need to scroll down a bit and you have to click on the link that says contact us. When you do that, here you can just go ahead and select I can't access my account, and then you can select as my account is locked. Once you do that, you can go ahead and read all of these articles. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can still submit a request and state about the issue. So in this way you can unlock your locked Snapchat account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.